Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question which asks draw a descending eagle. So that means an eagle is about to land and you have to draw the bird's posture. So we will start with basic figure of the eagle. So let's start with the head and the neck. You can give what we say as a line of action of the bird. So suppose uh, this is the angle of the body and this is the angle of the leg, which mostly gives us uh, the figures the bird's angle. And after that you can start developing the neck, the entire body, which is of this sort. Then you can add the shape of the leg, fingers. So everything at the initial level you shall draw it as a simple shapes so that you later can develop on that. So we'll give slight indication of the beak, which is slightly curved. Okay, and then the shape of the wings, the tail. Like this. So this overall gives us the basic form of the eagle. Then after you have these things with you, then you can slightly erase some portion and give other details those are actually required. So first we will start with the face because that is the most identifying factor. So let's give indication of the beak and the toe. Then the eyes. From here we can start developing the figures, other areas, and detailing of the feathers. The claws. So you have to mostly be aware like how the flow of the feathers are in each of the body parts. That actually gives you the drawing of the bird looks convincing or realistic. Okay, so the flow of the bird's feathers is very important. because when the bird's body posture is in a certain direction, the feathers also change directions and it floats in a certain angle. And also different parts of the feather has a different shape. So some are taller, some are shorter. So that is also important that you notice and you bring it out in your drawing. And how each of the feathers looks like from a different angle. So now you see we have the drawing of the bird, and then you can go for slight coloring to indicate how the bird uh, it's how its natural body color is. So we will that it has a darker shade at the wings. The body too is slightly of darker color. Even the legs, the beak, and the claws are yellow. So those are all the distinguishing features of the bird. So this color also spreads out to the wings and to some areas it has a darker tone. All right. So after you have this thing, then you can go for slight uh, details to give a finishing touch to your drawing, to strengthen the lines. So suppose it has certain edge to your drawing and also some depth. and give sharp lines to the areas where it is needed the most. So as you see, we have this eagle ready, and sometimes you can give this directional lines which shows that it is descending at a speed, which gives an added effect to your drawing. So I hope you understood how to solve questions like this and add certain dynamism and force into your drawing along with colors. Keep practicing with other birds too. Thank you.